So let's create your Trailhead account. So go to trailhead.salesforce.com and click on sign up. So trailhead.salesforce.com would be your go-to place, forever, till the time you are associated with Salesforce. This would be your go-to place. So when you click on sign up, it will take you to a section like this. Then you can sign up using your email, Google, LinkedIn, or Facebook, or any other means. Well, it's pretty simple. Once you sign up, you'll have access to all the learning material on Salesforce, and it would also give you a Trailhead playground, which gives you all the abilities to try and learn how Salesforce looks like and how you can play around with all the settings. And so it's a very good way to learn Salesforce real time and try all the theoretical knowledge that you would learn in the coming sessions into practical sessions. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.